Over the past year, I have cleaned up a ton of dirt and grime, and there's definitely been some new tools and products that have helped speed up that process and make things easier, along with some old classics that I just keep coming back to. So let me show you some of my favorite cleaning products and tools from 2025. The first item on the list is this cleaner right here from Mean Green. It's a multi-purpose cleaner, and I've actually used a lot of their degreasers and cleaners in the past, and I think they do a really good job. But what makes this one so unique is actually the bottle, and I absolutely love this type of innovation in the cleaning world because it helps your cleaners last longer and you're not having to ship as much water as well. Now all you do is on the one side fill it up with water from your tap, and then on the other side is the concentrate of the cleaner. And as you spray the cleaner, it actually mixes in the nozzle at the proper amount of water and cleaner, and that way this one bottle is actually 4 bottles of cleaner, because once you're done with the water on the one side, you fill it back up again until the concentrate is gone. The other thing I really like about this cleaner that I was a little skeptical at first is the scent. This one specifically is citrus green tea, and it smells really good. It's not super overpowering, and it just leaves your space nice and fresh smelling. Now, because this is again a multi-surface cleaner or a multi-purpose cleaner, you can use this in all sorts of areas of your home. I personally have been using it a lot in my kitchen, and it does a great job on like your cooktop and things, or really any sort of grease and grime that you have from cooking food. So if you're looking to try a new cleaner, definitely give this one a shot. And again, it's gonna last longer, which is great. The next item on the list is the Dupre Neat Steam Cleaner. Now, if you've watched cleaning videos online, you've probably seen this little steam cleaner machine. And I'll be honest, the first time I kind of saw it floating around and going viral, I wondered, does it actually work as well as they say it does? And I will say, once I got my hands on one, I have been pleasantly surprised. This little machine really does pack a ton of cleaning power. Now, if you're in the market for a steam cleaner, I recommend this one. It just does a really good job on things like tile and grout, backsplash, even your oven, really anywhere that can be cleaned with steam, you can use this machine. The other really nice thing is it comes with a ton of accessories, which I love, because if I'm gonna add a cleaning tool or product to my arsenal, I want it to be multi-purpose and not just single use, just because then I only use it so often. And this thing can really be used all around the house. Now, if you don't also want to clean with a ton of cleaners, a steam cleaner can be a really good option just because you're only using hot water. I think this machine gets up to be around 270 degrees with 50 PSI, which is plenty of power to blast away all that grime around the house. The next item on the list is the Clorox Laundry Sanitizer. So a little backstory about this. I really loved the OxiClean laundry sanitizer. It worked great for my microfiber towels and really anywhere else I needed to sanitize my laundry. However, they stopped making it and I cannot find it anywhere. I think it's just done for good now. And so I had to find a new product this year, and this one has been amazing and my go-to. One added benefit about using this sanitizer that I've noticed is not only, yes, does it sanitize your laundry like it says it does, but it also does a really good job to get rid of kind of those funky lingering odors that can sometimes persist even after washing your clothes. For instance, Noah behind the camera has been using this with his dog bed and dog blankets and things, and it just gets rid of that kind of wet dog odor that can sometimes linger. And I've noticed too that it does a really good job on gym clothes as well. So if you're looking to add a laundry sanitizer to your laundry routine, definitely give this one a try because it gets the clean that up thumbs up. The next item on the list is the fur remover. Now, this is a great tool to pull up things like pet hair and even human hair if you have some in your home that have very long hair. You know, it kind of gets everywhere a little bit. But this is a rubber broom. On one side it has bristles and the other side it has a squeegee here. And the way this works is it actually grabs the hair and pulls it out of the carpet and rug fibers. Many times, especially pet hair, can be very fine, so it can actually kind of just weave itself into carpet fibers, and your vacuum, yes, can get some of that, but just every once in a while you need a little extra oomph to pull it out, and this tool comes in super handy. The next item on the list is a drill brush scrubber, and I know if you've watched the videos before, you're like, Brandon, you sound like a broken record, but I talk about these a lot because they are a total game changer when it comes to cleaning your home. From scrubbing things like your shower to your tub, any sort of flooring you have, these will not only speed up that process, but they take the whole manual scrubbing completely out of that, and so you don't have to work as hard to get that area clean, which if you ask me, is a total game changer, like I said, and a must, especially if you're a professional cleaner. Now, there are a few different kinds on the market. The two that I like to recommend are these ones here. The first is a dedicated scrubber. That's all this does, and it's from Ryobi. It's also waterproof, which is very nice. The only downside of this one is it is a little expensive, and if you've never used one of these before, I totally get it. You might not want to jump right into this. Now, if you're a professional cleaner, I recommend this one. However, if you just kind of want to test the waters and see if it works for the areas you're trying to clean, you can just get a simple brush attachment like this one here, attach it to your already existing drill if you have one, and give it a try. I can't tell you how many messages I get every single week from those that have finally given these a try and how amazed they are and how it's really sped up their cleaning process and just made things easier. And that makes me so happy to hear, and these will always be something I recommend. Now, if you're looking to try any of the items I talk about in today's video, definitely check the links down in the description, or you can even click on the YouTube shopping tab. I have everything tagged right there. The next item on the list is this one here from Sugarly. It's a cleaning gel, and it's a little more specialty, but I wanted to add it to the list just because I've used it so much this past year. Now, if you have mold and mildew growth in your shower along the edges, maybe even in the caulk, or even mold and mildew growth like in something like your front load washing machine gasket, this is the product to try. Because many times you can clean it with other products, but you still have that stain left behind, and that can be really hard to remove, but this will take care of that. Now, one thing I always like to mention about caulk specifically in your shower is that if this doesn't take it out, you usually have to cut it out, dry the area really well, and re-caulk the shower, just because that mold has penetrated inside there, and there's really no other cleaners that will take that out. The next two items are new to me this year, but I think they're gonna be in my cleaning kit moving forward, and they're specifically for your car's tires. Now, the first is this one here from Adams Polishes. It's their wheel and tire cleaner, and then the second is from the chemical guys. This is VRP. Now, the wheel and tire cleaner does exactly what it says it does, but it really just breaks down all the grease and grime that you usually get on your tires and rims, and this does it pretty quick and easy with not a lot of scrubbing. I really like this stuff, and this one bottle goes a long way. You don't need to spray a ton on the tire to get it clean. Now, the VRP stands for vinyl, rubber, and plastic. And I don't know if your cars have this, but mine have a lot of plastic that just kind of gets sun faded and dull over time. And I was looking for something to really bring that back to life. And this does a great job to rejuvenate that and make it look like new. The next item on the list is the Barbecue Daddy from Scrub Daddy. I absolutely love this thing. When it comes to cleaning your grill, I'm always looking for something easy that just works. And with this one, all you gotta do is just dip it in some ice water, turn your grill on a low heat, and you steam clean your grill with no chemicals, and it just keeps the grates nice and clean and gets rid of any burnt food that, let's be real, we don't want in our food or to eat. Now, the other really nice thing I like about this is the head easily comes off and is washable in the dishwasher, so that way you can keep it clean and it lasts longer, and it just works easy, and I always have it next to my grill. Next up is my vacuum of the year. I absolutely love this thing. It is the Shark Power Detect Stick Vacuum. And this thing I use every single day. I actually got this to use for my spring cleaning spree last year, and I just love how simple and easy it is to use. And plus, the dock that you rest it on is auto emptying, which is really nice because it always keeps the actual canister clean. But what I really like about that is it's a place to set the vacuum and always charge it. That way, when you need it, you can grab it and go. There is something just nice about the convenience of a grab-and-go stick vacuum that if you have a little mess on the ground, you go get it, can easily clean it up instead of having to get a big vacuum and just make it a whole process to get that area clean. And this one is just my go-to, so if you're in the market for a stick vacuum, I would definitely check this one out because it's my favorite. The next product on the list is this one here from Wyman's. It's their Granite and Stone Disinfectant. I'm gonna be real with you, I'm not always a fan of their products, and my wife actually got this because we ran out of another stone and granite cleaner. And what's very intriguing about this one is it's a disinfectant, because most of the time your granite and stone cleaners are more just for appearance and kind of just to polish and make it shiny. There's not a whole lot of cleaning power, or they don't really have the claims to disinfect, where this one does. Like I said, I kind of had mixed feelings about some of their products, and this one is definitely a winner. I love how it cleans the countertops, and it's just nice to know that it is a disinfectant. So if you do spill something like raw meat on the countertop, you can use this to not only kill that bacteria, but it's also gentle enough where it's not gonna cause damage to your stone. This next product is something I carry with me in my backpack at all times just because it's nice and small and convenient, and that is this screen cleaner here from Whoosh. It does a really good job on like your iPad, your phone, or even your computer. And it's just nice because it's a small, compact little bottle here. It even comes with a nice handy microfiber cloth to keep your screen clean. That way you don't have to risk using something that might cause damage. And there you have it. Now you know some of my favorite cleaning products and tools from 2025. Thanks so much for watching as always, and I need to give a huge shout out to all the Clean Squad members. Thank you so much for all your continued support both on Patreon and here on YouTube memberships. Now, if you want to join the Clean Squad and help support the channel, all you have to do is click the link down in the description for Patreon, or you can also join right on YouTube memberships here as well. And as always, I'll see you on the next clean.